Hi, so today I'm showing you how to use AutoDraw.com. Okay, so to begin you have a blank document open. Let's go ahead and look at our tools on the left side of our screen. So you can see that we have, if I put my mouse over this says Select. This says AutoDraw. It's got those magic sparkles around it. Let's do something pretty cool. Draw, Type. It's got a capital T. That's something you can use to put words inside of your picture. Fill looks like a paint bucket with some paint coming out of it. Shape. Here at the top we have some shapes that you can choose from. If we click Fill, it says Fill up top. Here is our color selector. You're able to choose a different color if you would like a different color. This is how we zoom if you want to get closer, or you can go backwards 150. I sort of moved it around. I'm going to keep it at 100%. Okay. And this is our undo button. If you make a mistake, you just press undo. And this says delete the trash can, kind of like where you would throw something away. Okay, so let's say that I want to draw something. I might click Auto Draw and let's see what happens. So it's going to draw in purple because that's the color that I picked. I can draw something here. Now, what does this computer program think that I drew? So if I was trying to draw a peanut, here at the top there it looks like there's a peanut. So I can click that. And if I like that, or maybe, no, that's not what I meant. I wanted it to be a leaf. So I can put in a leaf or some sort of animal, maybe a duck. Okay, I can click on it again. Then I can make it smaller. So I can grab a side and squish it. I can drag it and make it wider. I can grab the circle and go woo and turn it around. Or I can grab a corner and the corner changes the whole size of it. I can also move it somewhere else on my page by clicking and not letting go. This is called click and drag. And you can move it around where you would like it. I'm going to straighten this back out. I want my duck to be in some water. So what I can do to put my duck in some water is that, let's see, I can do that a few different ways. I could click Draw. I might draw some water. I don't know. Maybe my brush should be a little bit bigger. I want my line to be bigger. So at the top here where it says Draw, there's a little blue slider. I can click it and drag it. There's that click and drag again. Click, drag. Oh, and I can make it bigger. Again, I click and I drag. Click and drag. So that's one way I could draw water if I wanted to. Let's see if I can change the color of that line I already have. I'm going to go here to, how can I do this? Select. What if I clicked on it? Can I change the color like that? I can. I can change the color that way. What if I clicked fill? Oh, I can do it that way too. Fill, tap it. Okay, I could also try, let's say I don't like this water. I'm going to click it. I need my select tool. Select, click. I'm going to go ahead and press this trash button, delete. Click it, delete. Click, delete. Okay, I'm going to try my water a different way. There's always more than one way to do something. Shape. I'm going to use a big rectangle because I want my duck to be on a big area of water. So I'll use my rectangle. I'm going to change my color to blue. I want some blue water for my duck. So I click and drag. All right, so right now I just have a blue rectangle, but I want to fill it in with some water. Fill. I like that water, but it covered up my duck. I'm going to press select, click it. Can I put my duck on top? What if I just set it on top? Can I right click? No. Okay. We'll leave it right there for my duck. Okay, so let's say I want to put some details in the water. Maybe I want a fish. Okay, so if I want to put in a fish, I can, let's see, maybe I'll do AutoDraw. I'm going to try drawing a fish because I think a fish, oh, I can't see it. I need to change my color. Black. I think a fish sort of looks like this. Let's look up here at the top. There's a few options up here. A dolphin. I don't really want a dolphin. That wasn't quite what I was going for. Oh, this looks like maybe a fish that I might want to use. I like how the fin looks on top. I'll try that one. Okay. What about this one with the bubbles? Oh, that's pretty cool. Or this fish. I'll try this fish. So it looks kind of big. I'll make it a little bit smaller. Okay. Now, if I want to make another one that looks exactly the same, I can, with my keyboard, there are a couple buttons that you can press. You're going to press Control C, and that means copy. Control C. So you've copied it. Now you're going to press Control V, and that pastes it. Copy, paste, copy, paste. And then grabbing it, I can move it. Can I grab it? I'll try this. Oh no, I can't grab it. Here we go. I got to grab the line, or just grab somewhere in the center, because if I grab one of these boxes, it moves it around. So I can move that around somewhere. Now I want to change the colors of these fish. Fill. I want this fish to be green with a red face and a purple fin. This one has a purple body, a yellow face, and a black fin. Ooh, yes, I like that a lot. I'll try coloring in my duck. It's a green duck with a, I don't really like that red. I'm going to press undo right here. We'll go blue with an orange beak. An orange eye. Oh, can I change the eyeball? I suppose not. I'll undo. I'll just make the beak orange. Cool. So I can keep going here and finish my picture. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what we'll be doing next once you finish your picture. So in the top left-hand corner here, it looks like maybe a stack of pancakes, or maybe 3 lines stacked on top of each other. Anytime you see this, you know that that is a menu. So I'm going to click my menu, and I'm going to go down here. This says Start Over. This says Download, Share, How To, Shortcuts, Artists, and About. We will be clicking on Download. I'm going to click Download, and it's going to save it to your computer. Okay, and then from there, we will be saving this to our Google Drive. Okay, and that is the end of our tutorial for now. Thank you for watching.